people are condemning the act of the man. Now we are going to do investigations about something and I say, yeah, baby, no, baby. Before they were conducting investigations in Ukraine, a letter from the New Patriotic Party, even the Ashanti region and the National should have even come now to say they render unqualified apology to Ghanaians.
It's difficult for you at that time to know whether it was an envelope, whether it was an envelope in a hurry. Because sitting here, I would have been happier if they did not pick the right use, it was dropped. So if at that time they had not picked and the man had gone for his own envelope, commission would have exonerated. But it followed at the later, they went and took it. So that
the Ghana political party, the good part anymore. But to be very strategic and very smart, you condemn the man. You issue official communique, you writing or the general secretary coming out public and say, I didn't course no airtime. I didn't case with the party about setting up a committee. They say we are going to discuss the matter. Any appropriate punishment will be man you be need to Ghana police or Monfarade. News where just any say if it is not true there. Yes, say omo chess can we want it. Then say we for. So now our own party is condoning illegality just because of election. On election day, all the laws are not working. You won't tell me say by election, but that procurement act in any juma or for vice president, vice president, finance minister, road minister. The contractor assume he so I'm highly disappointed in the Kufuor. Now Kingsley Nyanko, this is a member of parliament. I am seeing what problem I can woman Tiasi. Say basically Kufuor to revoke the appointment of this particular man. Abusia for Makwaba at the back Solid TV. Mr. Subscribe to the channel. Like page ne kai se obe share link na se sharing is caring. Na production in na every Ghana Ken studio. Na ye production we are by the power of the internet ntino. Onsa ebe ka content bi no wahye. Titu Ghana for amwo amano ne yedamase pa. In fact, monka ho anka Solid TV can do ba bia adu nti ye chiache mu nyina. Na ene ye tenasia na ensem no ebebri. Na de edi kan ene se anano edwoso abato mpesua so. One of the polling stations who may say friend the Pentecost. Ye who say Namre Sebejani de ma kwada so about to mpesiaso. Professor Kinsinyak we envelope be. I can't be am the special prosecutor aton in San Freno. The police here in so aton in San so afreno. Na enochinu a director of election service and the electoral service. Or the electoral commission Dr. Srebo Kwiku about until they are saying about 2 years. I say approach for my two months after a year pap. And what you know, the director of communication with the New Patriotic Party, Richard Anyagba, also say Professor Kinsinyako, what Chesi Kebi, and I call him to say he can't when you ask him or no MPP for Munsa Domina or Monfano or Monsuman say Uncle Cheska Ewasi. And also Dan Chen, so I dare back say, Bashani say. Ewo Asante Mantem was in MPP this year there. A jet dem and said. The phone cable makum bebru edu. And almost teaming up with the Asante Man youth. Almost say, almost a series of demonstrations. Starting Yameboa 24th of May, or maybe June, or maybe July, or maybe August, September, almost so maybe and Ome Clamase November. Near what to about December. Almost one can in answer. Sebsem Pediasa, and pen for Monimo. Almost MPP a year to Asante Marquasia. And they say, votes your Sante Mai Edema MPP in 2016, 2020. MPP ni so. Amen MPP dada Sante Man say. Kumase phase Central Market phase 2 now my hotel. IMF conditionalities. But Omo say a lot of projects, especially interchange be cost one kind. Ombobo broni bi se ofanko ache mota wana de ade omo fi 77 pp for omo fa asantema se sapofunu menua e de na ekoso e wo Ghana se no me twa mo ba na me ba franco de ba be kamo na ya transcend edi ko na me kan se me se asamusi a manfo omo fi se omo ye political analyst omo ma comment omo kan se mebri but e ya na ebusa se ne krakra franco esesai te franco esesai ye de ba.
Finally, my family is free because of Rome Villa Estate. Yes, this estate is responsible for selling affordable litigation-free lands that have electricity, water, and accessible roads. I am so happy.
I wish you for your transfer, Makwaba. Mr. Subscribe to the channel. Nekai say, over share link. This sharing is caring. I dare to see this. I'm going to transfer at the party. I was say, Oma afufuro enyebi. Akwese radiasem sa wogye no ama sempa na antra ayenome da che have unya bi nko. The platform bi a osu bia na ya kai say we share this content e wo so na Ghana for more Bruce, Ghana for more Ghana, almost more all the 54 African states, almost all the 50 states of the United States of America, almost and Malaysia for me, so now I say Mutichi, and China for be so Korea for be so at India, Mundi common, Mundi solid TV, common and share madam for. For good, I talk about.
Major so,
now where?
My mother is also here.
There is what I say.
Pa woman, then I just say,
Say, no, my birthday.
and jubilated happy birthday.
Good. In
Nah.
fact, me a birthday no, and yet Absa Bank for na
Come.
I know I'm sorry, I send me message.
Oh, okay.
Or say they are part of me, and I said they are with me. As a man, I say, hey, I say, Master Scaffold do birthday. And now one abu Ken, Unia George Tibun's birthday. Massa, what Timus a birthday, much that's a shame. Now, some made the year no for me. To me, we can't never come there for Friday.
Emua, no more.
Because of your birthday platform, my papa.
Says Cafone Casam.
Asa,
Boys come for
I glad your born with your Obapa Chrissy, all the best gospel musicians, artists in your bassy.
almost go. What one?
Now, I could be crackers and found this is on my bush.
Mu Jankas as Cawamo.
What's a scaffold? Moshada, or wouldn't come back the shedder, a shit.
Uniska, do we be a bonemo? Uniska, do we be a bonemo?
And a bit what I said, dear, my is Cassay.
Why are you crying more than the bereaved? Or no, he's gonna free in the bottom name, Hano. Or be out a handful years I chase for Bibi. And I say,
will be a bully down Makumakutu.
Aye,
and cannot. And now I can castle, was say, but also is but. Also a Bema, but Miss Oti was a Bema. Was only moon at Makuma who do a Cabana could that call him. One of Calcat was say, Mr. Jojo Tibunsu, also call Holland. Or copy moon, Nimubia to coin or Koda shelter.
okay.
And it's a shelter, Nibi. Anna Kobe Sima, we continue. Uba when the baby Akoda, I had a home kennel. And I say, on that theatre on Abukan. And your mom was a gun, almost Kubu.
There's I'm not gonna Yomodia. I'm not gonna Yomodia. And you know, so I'm in Chapapa.
Good.
I'm the chief executive for Sababia Menchiano. Now, mention will be a Case. It is a privilege and honor to enter into the various homes and offices of people. I'm here, and I'm here to render service in Tinamaba.
My main kind of your force, me one sassy, more dime be meton. Na or me bo my tongue. Na moji do mun ayi room villa se men kan chaw se ensasi enye de so je ni koto ya bo ntuo ni biu we de ya aka se aheda ato afina na mo atankonyansem ane ya ye ho a proper documentation enam se ye de aninti no ye yi akwan ye di ensu aba asase no so ye de nkane ensu aba so ye ye drains ni na e de amo na ne bo no e da fom se ka chaw se room villa asase ne boni a onyi ni ko room villa se we are gun na akobo bra e wa mono ne ana o gun na obo bra so si dan ya enya fe na akoto asase na ho na nkrafo aba obo se digging fee afi no oba se ana landguard for fee room villa se twa no pam no tintun tan bra be gin sas ne bi e ho na Canada fo na te ho nti ho na e ya se e Canadian villa na ne sa but room no enso kire se pope won ton ade fon e mauda different number na e 0592 22 3386 0592 223386 na baje room villa nsase pa ne bi me say me mfa nsu nyina manum enkasa nche matiefo me nto ade fo mauda wo do koto na so the pickers boss say ken na se obi basa sase ne dia bra solid tv na me kan usika dia mo me se miniska but sika de twe manso de mu bi ho medical per manso ka tabi nim say room villa fo e beton correct me no to chacha because me say medu me say medu enti a room villa Franco.
Yes sir.
Professor Kingsley Nyako,
Okay.
ne nsem a two child the special prosecutor and the police for to monsa their friend but the director of electoral service at the electoral commission Dr. Serebo Kwiku was say omo twen ahwe de be firim aba na de be firim aba no ebe mo metuma sigina the next time no so omo collection na de omeye and MPP director of communication your friend Mr. Richard Ahiagba was say Professor Kingsley Nyako akwa na asema ayoron ko na anya na asema anya MP before no so say MP before omo call elections no omo din a omo de call elections no na seat yo omo dia to man your mag say ubi enko twetwe sika obi na MPP omo nsa du omo na du omo atwem ho afiri asem to na anya na mane a wona aban kokko
Shabu, first of all, who had you see where Joshua?
me busa say MPP as a political party omo yi kinsinya kwa mana
Oh, so I be a dinner do the moons at the end of the so minima.
adintra
Because I'm going to say, and go as a seminar course, airtime. But you see, some now have problem with the new patriotic party.
why
Sometimes
I don't mind ye nyofe
I have problem with the new patriotic party. I have problem with another Danko Akufo-Addo too. As the president of the oh, me change you now, and for me, Kosha tight corner, I will explain to you.
but when him say a video back on
They're here.
I'm say the earlier one year before this one
Okay.
almost say Dr. Baumia me defend no
Now, when I said, man said, free no crab, it's hard I am my just no, I said, I'm into us. Why would you want to defend them?
I'm a host
Indeed.
and the question be a bit critic and begin to be an answer me busa now say myself me I can't defend Baumia back me say a chief me mean to defend Baumia that because say Baumia na what try to be I am a new asem the ya na me kwa defend it say be ade anya but ajebi also say busa no check me na volunteer for mu hu me say city
Charu
Franco
now we share your course you see if a member of the new patriotic party sit down and do empirical research about how the election is being run now in Ghana already a course where just constituency MPP near a sort of dinner catchers the future is unknown for the new patriotic party.
they do money
Now, if you look at elections, MPP for Akonina, the 2024 elections happens to be election digital elections will be
Anna I done a year because 2020 no say Mahama Cruise Gabon
yes
and they couple with parliament ya or man peniko for the second term those in the votes to by parliament no and split
in 2020 the new patriotic party captures power in 2016 over 900,000 votes 2020 elections a sort ya man 500,000 it means that John Dramani Mahama the NDC only made to two especially in the Ashanti region Obetma win a lot of votes in the Ashanti region. So it means that 29 to 30% in the Ashanti region is a foregone conclusion. NDC comes to power. Now me catch or say, Alan Chamate what's in home from the new patriotic party. Also, the movement will take a lot of votes from the new patriotic party in the Ashanti region.
the South going to become the president.
Maybe I may say, Alan Kwadoche Mantidi Kamesa Kabib. It's extremely difficult for him to become the president.
But everything is possible.
Me to say, anytime I say this, people doesn't get me. Me say, it is extremely difficult for when the Alan Kwadoche Mantidi to be the president of the Republic of Ghana. Shabu, Alan man is one way.
How Shabu?
He knows it.
How?
But Alan has a mission.
Nipa or no order the secret coalitions. No. What
Shabu
said? It's Alan who said election I econo vehicle no a problem. It was some vehicle no. But with them people no vehicle no a problem and a driver no say a problem. But Alan there was some vehicle no. Alan can win.
Now listen to Alan and call for it critically. Anytime they are talking, they always try to push the NPP to a tight corner. I say me catch us a BC in 2000, whereby Gusitano, who hails from the central region, but Emomso only JJ Rollins. Now JJ Afan said the double on the Kobe was very, very influential in the NDC. Now when Kope was Swedru, JJ Rollins Kope Tamilsons at the expense of already Gusitano. Gusitano mo Castle Mabecho Moncasa party, and the reform came into being. You talk about it in 2000. Yako for the second run, never been seen in the history of the Fourth Republic in terms of politics. Say NDC neither catch or say only MPP kwa major alliance. I can say Omonto Mama Farmer MPP. They had a scheme in the saying, Minim Samin winning, Miss Mouse won't win it. And actually, they will go back to factory settings.
Penny say, never to be in the suit.
And if you look at Alan Kwadoche Mantia, Mema Kamesa Kabib, then call for they can be peeved, they can be annoyed. But I'm telling them the reality.
So are you trying to say, sir Alan call for a said negative twaba? That's Alan and that's the NDC they will jubilate.
They'll be happy. Me say Alan will be more powerful if election go for a second round. Listen to me carefully.
Alan obe feel comfortable say election go second round Alan decide. Will he feel comfortable to merge with the NDC or the MPP?
Now me catch them say About what motor should be a case study for you. About let me ask you. Now about what motor register. Comes now, I know I then was wrong.
No, I do me. You can say rep. I was wrong.
Movement from the day do me by.
So what you said they are behind.
Thank you.
Miss Amwa. No, you're one of the polling station agent.
Thank you. He's a strong Alan
PCO.
Thank you. Anya she no some hopes na doye. Who is a strong confidant to run the Alan Kwajo?
It's a regional chairman, it's a regional for Alan movement and an senior.
No, also. Thank you. So Adiomi, where he's coming from, he's a new patriotic member. Wako for 12 years of the ticket of the new patriotic party. Now he's defected from the MPP. Was an independent candidate. I didn't to be independent candidate movement is when you are push the man.
This is a movement no because an enemy to the new patriotic party.
I didn't see a movement in Castle so the support. Papa also co-independent in no way. Say independent from So sit down and ask yourself. They maintain up Alan movement 9 years ago. They know the stronghold of the man. They know that the man has a larger constituency where it so. It's about power. You make my question. Take this.
Maybe so. I did this way. So Alan, in the future, and unfortunately, say 2024, Alan decided to go independent or just so be man.
I do.
Rather.
Me say, now me can say if NDC comes into the picture, so I'm about to contest it will go against a duty. Say NDC for them. Because a true NDC person will never vote for an independent or MPP person. But if the MPP is for a very strategic, when you have very pass, they want to capture the Jesus seater or mobile market some crime contesting. They should allow Adiomi to go.
Now Jesus seat in MPP.
But they know. So if Adiomi wins, Adiomi will come to their side. My man can't say, me say don't be surprised. If you go to the second round of the election, they run over. Alan Kwajo chairman will be in bed with the NDC.
Wow.
Me say, the Alan open and say they want the party to go back to factory settings.
Factory settings,
yes, I'm starting for cry.
No,
my phone is to a party. I said,
the last time I will be President Akufo-Addo, but my dim commobile could baby. Akufo need to be blamed on all the
shameless. Mr. Akufo a good party, me come up for Tiase.
Wouldn't say Lambusi. Nipan the amount of sitting from PP, NDC means said. NDC means stronghold. And I'm going to find MPP ni in the Casasa, uncle contest as independent. And on the NDC esprit. With an intent says NDC, MPP no call independent. They will bring him back to the party. Now be a independent, a punishment be a never tools be a now feels MP no resource no. Now they call independent one President Akufo-Addo among position. See at seat no esako.
Party party I busy by saying Akufo-Addo. Only won't do. No matter 10 year course MPP Munano, and Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo still wants to control the party from home.
I don't say Akufo-Addo won't be a Jomokwan, a new person, Baba Obi.
Simon, my man has them to you. Sorry. Dear course of it, my times about me as well. Then I just about me near course in way.
So I haven't meet the sea and will be a first year question.
Anytime they are good things about me and the buy. Anytime they are bad things, none of them Akufo-Addo. Now, Simon. Let's go to the substantive matter.
Yeah.
I just buy election. I've listened to a lot of commentaries. First of all, I have problem with the Electoral Commission.
Well, okay, what problem with the Electoral Commission? You enter the Director of Election Service at the Electoral Commission. At
the time that I was, incidentally, I was the one who, the guy, the journalist, followed to that center. So according to him, it was just about 5 minutes after I have left that the incident took place. Now, at the time that immediately he came to me, and I got the opportunity to watch the video. And if you look at the video at that time, you know that it was dropped onto the table. You did not see our officers picking it. So I said that we should not be in a hurry to judge, because at that time, when it was put on the table, did they pick it or they did not? If they picked it, what was the content? We didn't know all these things. So we said, okay, let's go and replace them. And you know, one in the heat of election, anything that you do, it attracts attention. So let's replace them. Let's finish with the election, then we'll investigate the matter. It was later that we got to know that When our regional editor went there, they said that when it was dropped, they took it. And they said it was money for lunch. So I don't know, at that time that I was speaking. And to be frank with you, if I look at the video, it's difficult for you at that time to know whether it was an envelope, whether it was a handkerchief. You couldn't just draw. So I said that it will be investigated. So we should not be in a hurry. Because sitting here, I would have been happier if they did not pick the envelope. Right? The hand was stretched. They didn't receive it, it was dropped. So if at that time they had not picked it, the man had gone for his own envelope, commission would have been exonerated. But it followed that later, they went and took it. So that's what so at that time that I was making my statement, I said, don't preempt the investigation and let us know what has transpired. So now we know the story, and that was the election was held on Tuesday when they appeared at the office. And I went and met the OSP people there, interrogating our people. So it means that the interrogation is going on. So personally, I'm not happy with the way we are discussing issues and that. If when you do that, people will begin to change their statement and other things. So at the end of the day, you may not get to the root of the issue. That's why we were thinking that we should have.
That is the director of Electoral Service at the Electoral Commission, Dr. Srebo Kweku, the only two that. But I can say Kingsley and Yangba, and so they also what Richard and Yangba, they also what this only part Yaga Kingsley Yago say, well, you about common, Yinti no Emra.
This is our constituency to win. And so we invested considerably for purposes of winning the election. Now, I don't see the place where we would have done all that work only to want to use money to induce people's votes. What I know may in some cases be considered will be, transportation, providing transport to bring people back and forth, especially the aged. But that is not what is being published by, in social media to have happened. But these monies that people are saying, I don't think that the party had any plans to do that. The party didn't organize anything to do that. Now, if individuals did that out of their own volition, that is not sanctioned. The track record of our party. We believe in one man, one vote. So any facilitation that will go against the proper conduct of election, I don't think that the party will sanction.
Yeah, his video me. Or say, Master, what could you born for one? The Electoral Commission also at the state of Bible almost said,
Shabu, on the 30th of April 2024, and that's all. Now listen to what the EC said. As I see now, ongoing by election in the Ejisu constituency, the commission's attention has been drawn to a video circulating on social media depicting one of the polling stations at the ongoing Ejisu constituency by election. The polling station has been identified as from a Pentecost Church polling station with polling station code. The video shows a gentleman approaching the table, dropping an envelope table manned by the presiding officer and the ballot issuer. The commission has taken immediate steps and has withdrawn the two temporary staff while investigation takes place. First of all, I have problem with this.
Okay. Why?
Child, the whole video is critical. Kingsley could do one more doing community. And now you be free to go to. And now the mom. Or the more than for catching so unyai, no judge the two tables. There is difference between the picking it, major, and some make out of fatu. And two things. What's here the easy for now? I must say, he gave it to them as a chop money. That is what have the problem with the easy. Shaibu, if you look at election here, there is a workshop. They tell the rules and regulations governing the elections. They tell you the roadmap and elections. And so the ECA training in Crawford, they will tell them the rules, the legal aspect and the illegalities ahead of this kind of election. And if the evidence will be there, they will say foreign material. So they may have creative problems in don't even go there. Don't take it. If you look at the EC officials, from where I sit and what I'm seeing, this came with your but they told them that there be the two tables also. Now can person easy for the empirical research before withdrawing them because they couldn't protect their own. Now listen to the man, quick class man worker. Was one here video class and you know who's a diaby. And Kofano no man so much discount. Now you've put in these people to a tight corner. And there is a problem. I'm highly disappointed in Kingsley Nyako.
But when my dear back, who video a Dr. Kweku was about later staff no confide. enti enkɔmɔ bɛn na course wɔ akyire a kinsinyako watimi akɔ drop envelope na nkɔfo na hwɛ ma obi ani afiri no mɔkɔ akɔfa.
Then it means say nkɔmɔdie bi so then I get you to a certain area.
Yeah.
But Shaibu, I have a problem with the Ghana police and I have a problem with Kingsley Nyako. Ghana ha Shaibu. Say nada Shaibu kwa akɔto aba. Na mfa ne sɛ ebia wonya unkita portfolio bia na wura so kwa akɔto aba. Now if you look at the AC, almost say no foreign material should come to the election ground.
Yeah.
No foreign material. And if you look at Kingsley Nyako, Tio, I'm saying what problem I dream one mente ase. Say basically I could follow revoke the appointment of this particular man.
I felt I'm casting. Dear Ma Ghana, you say more connected to any. Say a brooch and minister. Yes, sad na. Ebia Kiachino, ye good animasi. And Tiakura Austin TV. Franco Crampo, and ye said then me.
Thank you.
But as a minister, penny ya dear penny for near Makisiaku Kwamo on the radio so that's the different. What is in Hulu? Because video by a month for us started a cast on the Subano or Legon now or child or not or trade sex for great.
Okay.
A business say all back go into politics and Chinchan a campaign a tide you still want try or fail you. I'm about Montini a dear man for the wow video wife them. What does some a yedim
So, uncle, so I'm highly disappointed in the Kufuado. Now, Kingsley Nyako, this is a member of parliament. Ghana, it is being done by
that the constitutional instrument.
Thank you.
Parliament.
From the parliament, and said there be any way for when she jet to say Yamfanya. Kingsley Nyako is one person who is a parliamentarian.
Yeah.
Taking a refer from honorable. It was certain kind of respect for you. This man, our no tia Ranu, our modern Rana by Dim Ranaso, is making your salmon who boom Ranaso. The police didn't say anything. None of them the letter go. Police in no Gina election grounds here to Abano. Then they see who comes with much about.
Aye, or Burchireso. Or Burchireso.
Then they see the whole kind. So now what Sabunanka who could do. And the answer is we now you foreign document be and I did my easy phone and answer easy officials now. I can police in Babachi.
When him say Safu Mr. MP before claim we say guy be about polling center now only accreditation.
Yes.
Or more time than ball form to pick up the Bonnet or no polling center without accreditation.
Thank you.
Or be all the foreign material because or MP no MP. Na ne party so betime din some phone say no na appointing can cancel
and Sabu if you look at Kingsley Nyako or yes I dey anywhere no where Nyankopon ka so be go ni ma say ade keto abi tama oyi envelope no he didn't know say the camera was capturing him no ni and the asem no o ya o wie onye Nyako so no say ade no say problem o ya ba and Sabu what na ne kam Kofi Adoma won interview di. There was a lot of inconsistencies from the man.
Initial call say he gave them something.
Something
envelope scan no. Ebuka or say letter.
Letter say.
I'm find the letter. What's the content of the letter?
I'm find it.
I feel who say a 12 day this year is and I feel say a favor. Now or nyame no atomana.
Favor so I'm find it. Oh favor say
constituency.
Yes.
A man from Chilon Commission, what Jack or
thank you.
Favor. And I better Kinsinyako so or MP Accra.
You can be
Mr. Son Odin Juma Accra Parliament. That Ben or Dylan Kusa, Eba, what do you so why stop over set me yet? Or more in Sukra Adoy. Yes. Just election day and I'll pay a favor.
Thank you. So it tells you say, if you look at how things were done in the election period, there was serious problems you have to deal with. Shaibu. If you listen to I said it critically, now ask yourself, say, Kingsley Nyako, now what the wound to me, as setting up the campaign team, one position the man.
Election strategies again.
Research, strategic and election committee chairman. 10 years. Answer in Nesaibu. You can say be a much position, you have in-depth knowledge about Adena Babe. So we cannot just wake up and say, sorry, you're a certain kind of position. Now, if you look at Papaya, you see, if you look at region, Ashanti region, the election of the new patriotic party, especially going for 2024 campaign, or no election committee, he is the chairman. Or the deputy, he is the chairperson. And it's only people who assume and understand, say, he has a lot of knowledge about it.
Yeah.
The chairperson echo publicly to go and pick something. Basically, maintain say the new patriotic party about Bontekra issue communicate about this. Say be a papano, be a babato, but you now call a regional election committee chairman paid yes in India.
Frankly, the two major political parties, the NDC and PP, on Ghana for serious.
I didn't hear.
Because Sir President Akufo-Addo, so Bugana for straight away do say the man is being investigated because was stripping from that position. Nanka party so abakat ade ya wo gu anim
yes
ti ya campaign position the man and so you take it from him. Na ama Ghana for nya gidie about this political party no. But I say mo kan yemfa mo ade e bone ba yemfa.
Open nipa ba ko a or yes shadow person in terms of position. Papa ka say Richard Anyagba. On the director for communication for the New Patriotic Party. How many times do you see him visible? Mwame. What one the actual communication director? What work? Nancy ni bo no aka the party ni kran so man. No abeka. Party ni so man. As well if it is true. Say party ni so man. Why didn't the New Patriotic Party issue official communique about this? Say Papa MP na ordino. Or the party in the name of the New Patriotic Party.
Yeah.
Now, if you come to Ashanti region, about my forming campaign, this is the director of elections for the New Patriotic Party campaign team in Ashanti region. Why are there any? People are condemning the act of the man. Though we are going to do investigations about something and I say, baby, no, baby. But before they were conducting investigations in Ukraine, a letter from the New Patriotic Party, even the Ashanti region, and the national should have even come out. To say is that they render unqualified apology to Ghanaians. And yes, Papa ne position the man was Ashanti region. We have revoked it. Ya make sure say the two on to say we did not say we not only problem there. We bring the person back on board.
But this is the case, the director of elections, make a director of the communication of the party about Bonte say, Oma disowning.
Do you know what is funny? The man then funny say, you look at the magnitude of the matter. Assembly, you don't allow your subordinates to talk. When I can say the party chairman or the general secretary officially comes out the press release saying that this is the position of the party. If you look at Justin Kodia, he is the senior administrator of the New Patriotic Party. Stephen Tim, he is the chairman of the New Patriotic Party. They carry weight in volumes.
But this was water. NP before, almost has here, some of the coalition, and almost executing perfectly. But all seconds in Yahoo, I want to executing your camera. It could be said, I didn't see a lot of police at the blind side of the camera. By the way, the camera picking, so why would they have to condemn him?
Simon, a bit maba, say, but sometimes you have to sacrifice no matter everything. So, what Shaibu saying, that is our grand scheme of agenda. Public, they have come to know it. Let's have a nice way to deal with it. Me.
Now, who say? So, party Babu and Trebes issue statement say, O man's market in Yako.
Yes.
Now, if it was something the parties are planning, second in Yako, also time, if MPP are very smart, you condemn the man. You condemn the man. Condemn that they are smart in Yanko and I'm what's most you could we are, dear, I feel you could we are, yes, may Yachemi,
yes.
Now, Baba condemn one. You can Papa from the Catholic Korea. You suffer at the end of Guasaba.
You condemn the man. You pull him to your camp. You sit him down and talk to him.
Say, yes,
to save the party, to save the face of the party. Anonymous,
but not to save Ghana, but to save the party.
As some American. Now, if you look at the Siena, a good party, then you must say.
Na Ghana political party, Ferrari.
Metwase, or Ferrari. Be a good party, then you must say. But to be very strategic and very smart. You condemn the man. You issue official communique, writing, or the general secretary coming out publicly and say, I didn't course no airtime. I don't know anything. With the party, setting up a committee. Say we are going to discuss the matter. Any appropriate punishment you will be able to.
Who need to be Ghana police or Ferrari? May Kai say, you started your first by election for mena any other by election. You are coaching upon the other. First, no, I say, Omuchis can send you for near capture it will news.
Normal,
and a barber normal. Because they order on say, just a language, a bit of can say, some of them normal. I never quite news where just so. And it's say, if it is not true there, yes, say, Omu chess can be one day. Then send a woman we for. But yet, now do say, on say, Obian and instance that.
Sempa,
someone will say, we 4 boys. Woman is counted. woman we are because of party we could buy or me the atwa my mamma was on camera say oh hold on we no 1 million and I'm cut them out hey baby akwakudu election be beat me there.
So now our own party is condoning illegality in Ghana just because of election.
On election day, all the laws are not working. On election day, especially by election, maybe on election day, wouldn't let me at say by election by sa procurement act in Enyajuma or Fafo Freku for the after vice president, the vice president, after finance minister, after wood minister, near the contractor, as soon as he coin procurement Enyajuma. Say, should do an Enyajuma. Say election day, ye Jessica. Yes, my way 2 million. I know on election day, I want to make promises say will be fun or metal fundaka or will be dancing. Just on election day, no Ghana, all the laws have been put on hold. Yeah, 2 body we are still by election. Never I just of course, yeah.
I did about Quebec, we are supposed to say, I could afford one be president. Nanka Jambe Tune Sadia friend. Nanki a castle, Ganjiri, Papa Panagio, drink Ghana. Na do Ghana no pursue kuni homa Ghana saba pan Ghana for so mon pema na me di president da
Franco me chawade hey ade also Ghana 40 years and say obi a won knowledge about something the background we nipa 100 so mu bia 2 people executing me man faton she obi okura education background ye ne commission education or na performing
and do na
obi okura medical background ko health minister all of that ye work me school Kings Kali ne go there kan yeah, they are teacher nibi. Or a science lecturers nibi. And they need apparatus education there. In private school. The piano headmaster was complaining. And because the headmaster is not a science person, he doesn't see the need to better apparatus ammo. And I can create headmaster and the
and they will buy.
And they don't buy Mr. Bashir Kabibia.
Obey Weston.
Was some better to name a cracker your
Weston.
And the was a coup for the crowd background. Na emra enyajuma e my.
Say we serious
emra say
by election
yes say ajimamanu kokojimamanu spoken v president Kufuor was say maclean no sisi another pa Kufuor say no say we be free mu onye bone kase we akonta man Kufuor maclean no o ko adwoso abato mpesua so a ye the we serious the my boys
serious
now we are na nkwa we ni tire o motashe maso a now small police for some culture after
now they are tiny say you have people who know who are elite, who are intellectuals. Or me uncle for school, they understand the law. Nani pan is doing illegality. Chabwa
election day. It is
an election day. You couldn't papa. You couldn't go.
Oh, debut.
That's my idea. You couldn't pay best and was say because of election.
Northeast. You bo Alan nipa e papa nani. Eku say. So on election day, there become me call elections. Elections. I will cover election now. Seminar police for them. Me almost because me name say me we actually have had 2 of me can say a stray bullet but me ben there who to my team which mean to a 2 of me stray bullet me tatters am call cover lesson me say baby a police ni je ho na me gina because o ko actually obetuma tutu abo no aka say a stray bullet or to akobe
shall we say I time na yehu aye time na yehu and you can no ma I course we just was able I time and ne yes say
but no the GDS special prosecutor any police o metimi aye proper investigation a prosecute papa no am na serve as a deterrent
na no ada want ya Cecilia brother pa has been cleared
o clear no
oh the special prosecutor wa clear no was say woman no problem be any
$1 million than the
problem be any
money laundry DND
o ba kaya ma me resign no go and look at the content the letter of Kufuor Trey
or accepting letter no
or accepting resignation you are catching so him say
so,
yes we
be president so appointed special prosecutor
akonta mining or ye illegality
president age or accept resignation letter
yes
and what can say say minim say be exonerated and at be clear
yes
now also no special prosecutor president there the appoint on obekwa akwachi mamre to na president adifo
me say the special prosecutor OSP were clear mama no o se mama no fi bia ni ho onye any corrupt deal bia ti mama no company ba bi ntina
but so a $100 or them nya body
me say
nya offense
yet kroma yi
and nya offense quite so morally
yet kroma yi sai mama nka sam ba ko nkire say Kingsley Nyako se na nado dan ko Kufuor na ni abre pa so person di president anko be legacy a Canada no kasai anka the chief of staff and answer pay mu bi the letter ba aka here say some ministerial position here the man designate for the deputy minister of education command Jeffrey himself. I'm telling you, this man should not be a minister. Or you don't know, this man should not be a role model. Papa way, or should not be a minister. Because if a boss would say be a minister for something or something, no, then you have knowledge about it. When about Santa election committee down, my question is, a MPP panel system no more yana. Panel system they say, I feel that some blabu easy for now and almost start every buy a just by election. I want to know. Because he's the director of elections who are Santa region. And the MPP from our continent a meeting. My meeting, we say, hey, we are the EC people, no, we are going to give them something. I don't know remember, they are going to get soft hearts for us. And we are started by the by-election. And no more director of your friends election. I don't know Santa region or be I'm just asking a very simple question.
I do am so to check election between the court.
Shaibu.
I can't the integrity of the election has been
spoiled. Oh, Shaibu. Me say, it tells you there is a problem, they have to fix the problem. It is a problem. Nipa ba konso an hwem won another dan kwakufado se besi nem yenya nso de letter aba e ka say papa no wa terminating appointment no because this man cannot be a minister. Shaibu, deputy education minister.
If you president Akufo-Addo try be investigation be free office of the special prosecutor in CID aba.
And for Akufo-Addo letter kwa ba bon jama be clear papa we.
Franco, okay. Yeah, the new patriotic party in Ashanti Asia no almost no gujem.
Ade.
Because a dreadful and from a second-hand clothing dealers association.
Okay.
And now face Kumasi Trading Association. Omen Asante Man Youth.
Okay.
I team up also my demonstration. Now a continuous demonstration almost started from 20th. No more 24th. That is May, you know. Almost resume
4 days.
June. Every month the women 4 I almost say on per se we almost sitting they want to do an open campaign against the new patriotic party.
Hey.
Almost say MPP and no Asante because MPP at the IMF if you charging and as you charge on say IMF still want to me any project especially the Kumasi Central Market Phase 2 Keita Phase 2 and now almost so a catalog say Mamponte Market MPP ne bu man see Santase Market ne bu man see Krufo Market ne bu man see as MPP tie Asante man so we demonstrate having an impact on the party.
Sharu, now people that be catch us now Ghanaians are becoming more discerning. Ghana for gain. And you see, people are trying to move from I say first men are not supporting MPP way and MPP in this anum. She said Nipani do what Ukraine for Nipano.
Now and ya Allah name this for the show much.
Oh there be why? And she says a Ghana they just behind me and been a Akufo-Addo kokai no. Say well do me and almost na chino mu Sadia and Sasa will be calm and chase you. Do you know that Sadia is just what we need? What near they don't mean you? Means a one cast out as I won't mean me. Only the kind of problem that they are going through.
But problem some about AC, a ADAC. So almost say KTF face you, my hotel, and okay.
Now, maybe face to no maybe. Maybe so. Ah, what could there be a maybe?
I'm so much for getting to 6 or some months in my jai. I'm a worker, so you be great.
I didn't hear.
So almost say a IMF.
The IMF. So it tells you there is a problem to mean solving flow. The Anglophone kind of can
almost say yes, is can you mind, but almost ya quite one kind. Almost they don't MPP on 77 pages. You can't almost say no party. MPP Afa Asante Man says 77 pages. So we them penifone being come, but I'm fire and ask you the answer because so what we catch there say, she can you mind. Interchange be as a fanco or me interchange do. Now, Udo Asante Ma Oba Dada so be interchange your swami. Interchange beginning interchange ya. You started with the listen. Abosana Kasan. We see the nano now more yes or no. But swami did you much jano moko started kwano busa crew so we drinks. Interchange mean started with drinks. Mamponte market MPP na Kaguya or maintenance. Krofo market no MPP na Kaguyo or maintenance no. Na there be a account was here. Oh, share Mahama Quadis was in a Santa Rita. Mahama the big sea Ratty Park. Prime new who be the Ratty Park. Now Santa who Ratty Park that. Mahama the year KJTF phase 1. A man DP before the chair. Baby question about remember promises about a musical army. Mahama the boo at Swansea Market is see. Mahama the boo at Tunsu Market is see. No boo at Swansea. ebebu tafo esi enti edi abon na Franco Ashanti region omo de MPP for omo nka hwe Mahama started Sewua any afare military hospital afare military hospital the history say kofo and the so pay bosia but that bosia man ntima nwie ana Mahama sabe ko pay another nkofo may start here and to all they compare in fact kofo de ade akofo na Ashanti region no ultimi have say na ade na do kofo did very well in Ashanti region free education and your mind phobia kofo na ma Ashanti region for you interchange hey asafo de almost say bypass and I say overpass but kofo ni mi hu bi ana obeye askwade mai ana started Sofulai started president Kufuor to be trying to check Ghana for and to be check ya Ashanti region say because now there was per the original design near another interchange another bypass be LG run about bako be quite about president Kufuor catch say Mahama oyendisi ni ntina mpese obeye na yeto aba no so bad the original design say obeye and what the ultimate hwe nyamenim kan kire say after president Kufuor exit ended for so far o manya hwe omuye bibi make me say the men so for line kwampo no ended for na president Kufuor o be kan kire say o bad the original design but original up to now Kufuor be twa 8 years e baby so for o mu wi
some mam t-shirt
free education no e my mood for bia o na Mahama be see e blocks no we see no my mood ba bia Kufuor e bae no apart from so my an emergency center o ko emergency center bo so faso Kufuor school feeding program capitation grant health insurance and na ye o my munya but Kufuor who say Ashanti region and vote free and obey a lot of projects at the mine now I can't share me say ana nanado wa my Ashanti a lot of cabinet minister dey no mo ye o mo ko say president Kufuor that president Kufuor can share say wono no ma kwan me ya kwan wo Ghana tina po ka so pe kwan about Kufuor am penny awede ye mfa so don't blame the cabinet he can decide to and Kufuor very smart was said on my cabinet minister say be blame we put it at the doors of the cabinet ministers
thank you
no share check them akwa say ye eastern region ye say yen to omo ntwene and because omo ya say no monim say na be ba no monim say ala na be fragbera naka akata ala nkwa kwa wan pressure de ama and na ko ba ala na japa tell mo nipa ye say jambo the if ba o me ba Ashanti ba ye no na betena if so Ashanti region so was started so another you can say master tactician Muslim Christian and no ko ba bi na kwa kuhia the Muslims and the Christian leaders so can't you say mansam was a Christopher na tamako pope waba enti mo hwe na mo to aba me pope kwa de say hia me
ko ba campaign
campaign
oh sir
timi bi omo to demonstration can it have a negative impact on the MPP campaign especially less 2024
Shaibu
thank you
mama na simple farmer where don't joke with this kind of people they are breadwinners who can say who say will be admin basa they have a lot of people that they control now me can say me say when any people was in opposition or more campaign you saw people coming out we who institutions are cases of food now Ghanaians as make you one kasa quite research or my din or my father you say on the day of voting a whole number register display on demonstration by the actual
only when statement be you do about Closak executive secretary Dr. Bampo Ado was say election 2024 no ye take ballot paper ma don't look for the elephant nor the umbrella or the coconut tree or the cup but she will be your civil servant munya kwan eyimo adwuma was say go for the ba appointed party apparatchiks ano omodo omo be wura mu enti no director of abia bibia na nam sa kwa no party ba na so boni do he want to control you he want to direct you so they should vote for obi oba sa party apparatchiks what's the civil service for you man say
Jamaica church they will not talk omo demonstration but you feel it the reality will hit you dana yeto abana dem na akwa sam say abanu will lose every 10 a.m. ko na hu abanu will lose Shaibu there be something bad is coming to happen to the new patriotic party they should not joke
me Franco me say nyam 7 December by 10 a.m. then people lose election by 10 also by never starting 8 and also 7 near upon 5 but by 10 a.m. then people lose they should mark my word me say 7 December by 10 a.m. then people co position because better say omo na omo te aba mu no mo start complaining e boye and ha ballot papers nko Because I say not, you have your general secretary crying, say, a police force is not protecting your people, and this for air boom. Now, Oba President Kufuor, and Nippon do buy bam. I can't say the vigilantism boys. President Kufuor ban or yam, right? Wouldn't say sadly be seen the party in penny for woman, President Kufuor in Yajin. Because what happened, Kufuor said, and now police, who soldiers who protect you. Now, what can a year party leaders? The NDC will not even legalize happen. And I say, and make it laws and tears because almost say, share every 8 years, Biano, a police for us from who said, I near my sister, and you know, who need a total control. I got 2008. Ken has to cough up less than 100,000. Or these boys, he said 2020. Say, do not say science, I didn't be man. Ubenya boys, because one of them, I don't know. It tells you there is a problem. Shall we say danger? Danger is looming. Now, that danger now can be for Mumia. I don't know. From where you sit, you can see the danger. I don't know. See, when I say, Omudi deal who says animal. Say, man, I'm a catcher. Say, Menu me, as a mere me, Becca be a more perception about no me. Menu, but I am a per se. Who MPP near, ye can't say now. You MPP as started in fact. Not general was a summer yaking. Would have sound said, those in your money, but African way. I yet to a baby be possible. Not President Kufuor the dear, because pay them rather citizen, or a former president could be protected. But party secretary, party chairman, he is not entitled to a police or military protection. Not boys or more protecting. What's why I'm ready to tears had me once, and these for them go to Agro. Omunya akra ba yeju oh yes am na say this for na wazo ka boy say di omachi but all yes am na apam wo mo I instruct the police omu mo nchi wo na election wo kwa say
thank you
and two MPP and also who say ade ya guys say ka no ye di say dey ye ka for Lambusi case amaka chwe seat wa bre akoje ye musa say Lambusi MP no ye minister na seat ya wonye da na wakọ akoje o say ka o ma na minister upon na so o ma na nyesika e dey constitution na enwo ya akono no one more money so mo to am MPP ni am call independent or NDC ni so hold no or no so mo sa to chiche mu ya permanent free party ni and that same way we MPP no busa say asem na ye kan nokra are we on point another party ni ta party no so obi na wa bre MPP mu che you HFM from 2009 People's Forum bi no ya nye President Kufuor do ba no ni ba bia ko HFM odi mu atrantwe saa but then President Kufuor do ato HFM atwene na e ko election ato HFM atwene ato man na ato kansi media atwene and a day na me say wo beto ato can say a premier enkotre aduo sonson o me premier tintemepo bo man no abroad here and do premier hey other station about some say o MPP adwuma o to the traditional FM say HFM or man FM ne too and the sad way and e cost the MPP na penny bi kan say me chire we say hey adia MPP for the kansi media no tamo mo say other station no e be giant MPP mu no na catch satamo o mo ye hwea na MPP ahwe no so mo ko opposition a enchichemu e be pam MPP mu no ene niam be si no na da bia obra na misuma no kodua o mo da ko he tight corner MPP ko opposition a kodua na no ko fa party free abamu da ko opposition ana 17 anti de ka sem fama no but nipa na o se bremu papa akokora no matu akokora boni wa ye latin o to
say enra wo video na menu video na paimu bi pa wo MPP bi send edison no
yeah
so hu min kasa bi
Franco pedase
so me da ase
abusha for me din de Shaibu Lasisi Austin Berman Nigeria camera chi esa ka video no bomo me producer extraordinary na obeka no eye ti brukusu free obubu adaban and then one day producer say chere ma adwuma ya de ne be call the hig akwa kodi asem adumdum ye be san hia